How to add members on your Amazon family on your Amazon shopping. Welcome guys, today I will show you how to do this. Right now, let's do it. Open first your Amazon like this. And guys, when you open your Amazon, just go and open your profile here. So right now you're gonna find this list, just scroll it down and click your account, click see all. Scroll it down, go to manage your family or your Amazon family, click. And then you can add a member of your family to your account, click new and choose your member. For example, it's adult. I don't know, create a profile on your account or link to spare. For example, I wanna just link the account of the family that I wanna add. And that's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.